And always, if you're sitting in a chair, you'll want to come a little bit away from, if you're in a chair and the back of the chair is here, yeah, you want a little space between your low back and the back of the chair. So scooting forward is sometimes the best thing to do when you're doing chair yoga. But ground the feet. So look down at your big toe and just spread the toes. Start to notice and bring your weight back into your heels. So you have your weight distributed evenly on your foot. So we're going to take the arms out to your side. All right. Take a couple of shoulder rolls. So let's roll the shoulders back and down. Take an inhale coming up and an exhale coming down. And one more time. Inhale, rolling the shoulders up, pushing them down and back. Now let's go ahead and reverse. So draw the shoulders back, up, forward and down. And just start to get rid of that, or notice what tightness you're feeling in your upper back. We'll circle the arms up and press the hands together over the head. Now as you release the arms back down, come into what we would call a cactus arm. So here the elbows go back. You can lift the chest, take your gaze up. And when you bring the hands down to the ball, you look down towards the floor. So we're working through the back of the neck. So circle the arms up, your gaze goes up to your hands, pull the belly in. When you draw the elbows out, we're going to open the chest, draw the shoulder blades together, coming into your back bend. And then when you release the hands, we're going to drop the chin, look towards the floor, and release your shoulders. One more time. Inhale, circle the arms up, press the hands together. As you exhale, draw the elbows out, opening the chest. And just pause here for a moment, just taking the elbows back, but lifting up through the heart, the chest, and now releasing your hands to the ball. Let's inhale, circle your arms up into a V. Now rotate your right shoulder back and float your hands down to the ball. So we're coming into a really nice twist. I still would like your abdominals to be pulled in, but you're going to elongate your spine. Inhaling and exhaling, gently rotating. So we're moving this rib cage slightly back. So inhale, grow tall. Exhale, gently twist. And one more time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and rotate. Now we're going to take one more breath. And as you exhale out, we slowly unwind. Bring your hands back to your knees. Bring the hands on the ball or the chair. Inhale, circle your arms up into that V. Now we're going to rotate the left shoulder back, float the hands down, coming into that twist. So grounding through the sit bones. Inhale, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotating in the twist. So if you're doing this on a chair, you're going to hold on to something behind you. And let's do one more. Deep breath in. Exhale and rotate. And we'll take another inhalation, and as you exhale, go ahead and slowly unwind. Bring your hands back to your knees. Very good. So we're going to do some side bending. And side bending is great for mobility, flexibility of your torso, your waistline. So your hands are here by the side. You're going to inhale, sweep your arm up. As you exhale, you let that left hand slide down the ball and you reach up and over. Then pull to the center, then float that hand down. Good, left arm coming up towards your ear. As you exhale, reach up and over, opening up the rib cage. Now inhale, come all the way up. Now exhale and release. Now if you're doing chair yoga, I want you to stay with that sequence. Let's take care of our neck. So take an inhale, reach your arm up, wrap the hand around the crown of your head, touching your left ear. And now drawing the right ear to the right shoulder. And now let go. Let go of any holding in the left arm. Close your eyes, giving yourself a little balance challenge. And come into that nice, smooth breath. And really be gentle on your neck. And taking one more inhalation. As you exhale, release your hand back down to the ball. Let's take that left arm, wrap it around the crown of your head, touching your ear, and drawing the left ear to the shoulder. And this is right here in the neck and the shoulder, we may feel that tightness. So we want to breathe into it, taking 3 full breaths. Very good. One more cleansing breath, big, deep, and wide. And long, slow exhalation. Great. Now you're going to release your hand. So we're going to march. So I'm going to turn so you can see the march. This march is great because we're getting our heart rate up. We're going to be burning some calories. So even if you have a Apple Watch or a Fitbit, you can kind of watch the steps if you like. So we're going to hold on to the back of the ball. You're going to try and get that shoulder over the hip. Stay in your tall posture and pull the belly in. You're going to start with your right leg. So you're going to march right and left. So it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and now you're going to kick, kick, and kick. So it's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Now we're going to grab your weights and let's get our arms. So upper body strength. You know, we really want to, as we age, we want to keep that muscle mass here with our arms, our shoulders. So any lightweight, 5 pounds is good. I do tend to go, I think, a little fast for the like 8 pounds or so. So I'll try and keep my pace a little slower. So the shoulders, let's just take the shoulders, roll them back and down. Lift through your chest and keep the abdominals pulled in. You're going to rotate your palms forward. And just notice how your feet are grounded, right? You've got your ankles under your knees, and we go into that sweet little bicep curl, keeping your elbows tucked in, staying real tall in your posture. Here's 5, 4, 3, light grip, all right? So if you ever had any issues with carpal tunnel or tendonitis, then keep a really nice light grip on that weight. So here's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to do the last set here. Keep the strong, straight posture. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Now, we're going to rotate the palms so that the head of the weight is up and down. And this is called a hammer curl, but we're going to alternate right and left. So I might just go ahead and face you. I don't know if that's a better way to see. And you're going to start with the right arm, so you're going to bring the left arm down. And so we're alternating for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last 1. Very good. Go ahead and rest your arms for a moment. We're going to come into an overhead press. So we're going to come back to this 90-degree angle of our arm. So we're keeping that. We're going to bring the elbows up so that the elbow is in line with your shoulder. Then we rotate the palms so the palms are facing forward. Overhead press over the head. Elbows come back down to goalpost arms. Then we rotate the palms so that they're facing the floor and draw the elbows back in. So we lift the elbows up, rotate forward, overhead press, elbows come down, rotate, and then drop the elbows down. So elbows come up even to the shoulders, rotate the palms, chest is lifting, overhead press, elbows down, rotate, and come back in. Good, 5 more. Elbows up, rotate forward, overhead press, elbows come down, rotate, and release. Very good. Here's 3, forward, overhead press, elbows come down, rotate, and come in. Here's 2, lift, over the head, come back down, rotate, and draw it in. Last time, last 1. Rotate forward, overhead press, elbows come down, rotate, and then draw back in. Beautiful. So now we're going to come into our triceps. So we're going to lean slightly forward. We're going to keep the abdominals pulled in, shoulders relaxed, but I'm in a diagonal from the hip to the crown of the head. Elbows are going to be pushed back. Keep the belly strong, and you're going to only move from your elbow and the forearm. So we're going to push straight out for 8 and 7. Here's 6, 5. Good. 4, 3. Here's 2 and 1. Good. Second set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Last set. Here's 8, 7, 6, 5. Here's 4, 3. Good. 2. And on the last one, you're going to hold. You're going to hold here. Keep the shoulders away from your ears. Small pulses. So pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and one more set. It's 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Very good. So go ahead and let's stand. So start by sitting on the ball. So let's come into our final bound angle pose. So the bottom of the feet are together. Roll the ball up between your knees, taking your elbow on either side. Press your hands together. Take your thumbs to your third eye, bowing your chin. The light in me salutes that light in you. And together we say Namaste. Thank you guys so much for being here for the ball class. It was really fun.